Hello guys, are you actually in this market right now? As you can see, we are making a lot of profit. We are trading volatility 75 and we are using one big loss size. One big loss size. In case you are actually not valuable, or should I say not present in my VIP Telegram channel, because I gave this signal already there for all you guys to check up on it and enter this market, and we make massive profit together. And I don't know, but I think you guys are already in profit right now. So this is it. A big congratulations to my man Jeff Benson. I've done a lot in the industry, and he's actually doing very good for his Lamborghini. He just bought last week. Yeah, last week, a minute ago. So let's go into this market already, and you can see we took this market a little earlier, and we are actually getting a massive returns. I saw this market over here as of yesterday, so I placed this market. I waited for this market to go massively down. I left this market for a very long period of time, though I was actually checking it. I know exactly what I'm doing. This market looks convincing over here, trying to break down, trying to come up to the extent that some some got me confused, but I just needed to hold ground and make this market a massive one over here. Like, as you're looking at this market, you see the actual signal at this market. Now, actually, if you're actually in for account management, maybe you lose every time you trade, or maybe anytime you make a massive profit, you end up blowing the account. If you are actually in for account management, text me on my Telegram channel or on my WhatsApp channel. And also, if you are actually in for an academy, maybe you want to learn a little much more about forex trading, or you want to begin with your life in trading, please punch me in my DM. I will be adding you up in my VIP Telegram channel. And please don't forget, like this video, comment and share this video to as many as you can. As you can see, we are making a lot of profit already in this market. Now, I'm not going to show you guys the profit we're making, because probably you might think it's fake, or you see my account, what is it called, my equity I used in this trading, you might think it's fake, but that's just it. So we are actually trading. This is actually an accompanying account. I'm managing a company account. I shouldn't be saying this, but uh, I'm meant to tell my families, and you guys are my families over here. So this is actually an company account. Uh, imagine trading volatility 75 with one loss size. Those of you that knows much about trading, you know how profitable it could be in this particular market. Imagine I got this market over here. Let me say, with this particular stuff, counting this market to this particular point. To this particular point, you know how much I've made. You know how much I've made already, and you know how much I'm making right now. So we are actually in a rose. We are in a pop top. We are in a pop top trade right now. We are making a lot of profits, though we lose sometimes, but our losses is a little more, because we manage it with loss size and stuff like that. And also, I have a good news for you guys. I have a free Telegram channel that I can actually be giving you guys a free signal every morning. In case you are interested, punch my DM. I will direct you on how to register, on how to be involved in this particular sweet opportunity. Now, as you can see, we are making a lot of profit already. You can feed your eyes if you want to. Let's go back to 1 minute time frame. You see how profitable this market is. You see the reason why I entered this market over here. Now we see this market was going up and down trade. Then I was waiting for a real down trade market. Already you are making, look at it. This market is going up and down, but still it's going down to that direction, going down, up and down, but going down to that direction. Now I saw this market, I was like, okay, this market is definitely going to sell in massive way, so we should just monitor this market. Then I was taking all these up and down a little bit, and I'll just come and take $5K or maybe $2K or stuff like that. Then I took it over to this place, and I saw this market okay, exactly this market have given me the signals that I needed to use and enter this particular trade and make massive problem to the forex trading industry. Then I saw this market over here. I was like, damn, this market is definitely selling. Then I took this market, I placed this trade, and I gave the signal to I gave the signals to my group, my VIP channel academy in my Telegram group, and I gave the signal to my WhatsApp group. Before I forget, please point to my DM if you are actually interested for an account management or a VIP academy trade and signal training. Now, as you can see, we made this massive profit by just indicating this market. I watched this market for a full day to know his actual movement. Then I saw that this market is actually going to sell massively. Then I pleaded and I was like, why didn't I take this market at first time, or in the first place I saw this market going down? Because I noticed that this market is going to sell. I know it's a selling market, those of you might ask, but I took this market immediately. I saw the market clearly. I was kind of doubting myself then that this market is going down, but I don't know if it's going to reverse, stuff like that. But I didn't take the risk. I didn't say, okay, now the risk is worth taking. Let's go into this market so that we can make massive profit. No, I waited for this market to give me 100% sign that this market is actually going to sell. Then I waited for 2 days, 1 day, or more to see that this market is actually going to sell massively. Then I saw the market selling massively, and I took it over to this point. I don't know if I'm going to close this market right now, because I think I'm still making a lot of profit, and I think this market is still going to sell massively, but with no time. So, but if I should have any reason to close, I will definitely inform you guys in my Telegram channel to close up this market. If not, we are making a lot of profit right now. So let's give you guys a hit. I didn't say trading with loss side with stop loss is bad, but trading with stop loss gives you a limit of lose. But when you don't have this mindset of losing, or the trade going against your will, then why placing a stop loss? To me, I make sure I see the market going my way first before I place my trade. That's how I trade. That's how I'm a professional trader. That's why I grow to this particular point. So if you guys are interested in account management, hit me up, and please share this video to as many as you can, as many as your friends are beginners, traders. You see people that you know that is actually trading, that is losing a lot of money. Share this video to them so that they can be able to grab one of few stuff inside this particular video. And have a nice day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much.